Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the actuation pressure of the overpressure valve. So, now what you want to do is you want to remove all 6 screws. I've removed mine beforehand. After you're done, there is this ring. You have to press it, and then it just pops out like so. Watch out, there are these ball bearings. They really like to pop out and fall out and roll all over the place. So watch out for these. You want to remove this. And this right here. Here you can see the 2 springs on which the ball bearings are rested. You can take them out and put them in a container so they don't roll all around on your table. Here you can see the spring and the screw. By rotating the screw 1/8, you will increase or decrease the actuation pressure of the overpressure valve by 5 millibars. So when it's screwed all the way in, it's about 40, and then when it goes out, it increases. This is the default spring. You will get more springs in with your rebreather, and you can change them as you wish. Right here, the grooves in the plate are not all the same. These 2 right here are a bit thinner than these 4. There are corresponding pins here and here. One is a bit higher than the other, and it corresponds with the groove. This is actually direction dependent, so you have to put it in correctly, so watch out for that. Once you're done, once you have adjusted your screw, you want to take your 2 ball bearings and place them back on the springs. This can be a bit finicky, so take your time. Now that you're done, you want to take the plate and find the 2 grooves. Place them carefully on the pins so you don't accidentally topple the ball bearings. Then you want to take the top, and after you've made sure that it presses all the way down, you want to take it and place it directly on the hands of the plate. Press it down firmly so it pops, and try rotating it. If it clicks and it rotates smoothly until it stops on one side and on the other, you're fine. You can take the circlet and put it back on. Watch out, there are these little divots so the screw heads can fall right in. Put that on top, press it in, secure it. Now you can take your screws and screw them in place. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.